Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeacArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeacArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeacArmy.com. As usual, we will talk about the euro currency in this daily video research and start from the daily chart. Well, yesterday we said that since market has pulled down from that solid area of resistance, that is daily confidence resistance around 132.40 area, by this nice dark cloud cover pattern, we said that probably market could reach this area of support because this is the first support from that whole swing, is 130.04. Also, just slightly below it stands weekly pivot support 1 for the current week and monthly pivot for the February. But instead of that, you can see that market just hasn't quite reached that level and turned to the upside. Well, that has happened mostly due to the fact that Greece has come to agreement with the private creditors with the agreement of the write-offs of the 70% of debt, private debt from the Greece balance. Well, that is huge positive sign for the euro, and mostly by that event the euro currency has jumped up from that level. Also, a bit later there was nice micro data from the China that also supported the markets, but mostly this has happened due to the Greece announced of the agreement with the private creditors. Well, what this price action tells us currently? First of all, I have to say that this is not suitable for any DiNapoli directional pattern, because for the DiNapoli pattern we need close below the 3x3, below this green line, and that hasn't happened. So 2 days ago market hasn't closed below this green line, and yesterday market hasn't closed below this green line. So this could not be the context as for the double repo, as for the bread and butter trade, because for both of these trades we need the close below the 3x3, below this green line on the chart. So what could happen then? This price action could shift just to the simple flag price action due to respect of that area of resistance. So market hit resistance, shows some respect of that by this consolidation in the way of the flag, of the classical flag, and then accelerates further. That is very probable scenario. This leads us to the conclusion that probably our major focus should be lay inside of this flag. So depending on how market will act inside this consolidation, and if we could find some signs of the potential breakout to the upside or to the downside, then probably it will help us to make a judgment about the potential further development situation on the euro currency. Just want to remind you that market currently stands not at a overbought on the daily time frame, and daily trend is bullish, strongly bullish now. The one thing that could hold the potential move to the upside is this area of confidence resistance on the daily time frame. We have discussed it during the previous week also, but this area has been touched already once. During the second touch, this area will not be so strong, or even could be broken by the market. Well, let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Yesterday we said that the problem for the bearish environment will be if market will return above the lower border of this parallel channel, inside of this parallel channel, and shift the trend on 4-hour time frame to the bullish. So the second event has happened, so you can see nice person signal, nice shift trend shifting to the bullish side on the 4-hour chart. But the first event has not quite happened, so you can see that the market has tried to return back but failed there, holding by this upper border of this our flag on the daily time frame, and now stands in consolidation, in the triangle consolidation right below this resistance line. Well, here I see two bullish signs. First of all, the bullish trend. So you can see that now the daily trend is bullish, 4-hour time frame is bullish, has turned to bullish side. Also, take a look at that hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence. You can see market hasn't established the new low, but the MACD indicator has done this. So that is also the bullish sign, the hidden bullish divergence. That gives some confidence that probably the breakout of this area could be to the upside. On the hourly time frame, we see also interesting moment. So you can see this triangle consolidation. This is really exceptional move to the upside, really strong bars, and probably market has some momentum to continue a bit high. The first area that market will struggle with is this previous high, it's 132.40 area. It's the high of this confidence resistance. Take a look at the price action. Market stands in triangle and hourly trend has turned bearish, but price action does not quite support it. So market stands flat. Trend shift to the bearish side. Market creates the new highs inside of this triangle consolidation. This was nice thrust to the upside. Well, in general, this is also looks for me more as the bullish sign. Also, that was the butterfly that occasionally has worked here. So that's really interesting moment. Well, so currently I suppose that the appearance of the classical flag on the daily time frame is more probable, and because the price action is not very typical for appearance of the Judge-Napoli signals, since market during the 2 days of the penetration of the 3x3 on the daily time frame hasn't quite closed, shown the close below it. You see? Well, that is also market hasn't quite reached the solid area of support that is typical for the bread and butter trade. And currently I still think that it's more probable the trading market is the forming of this flag pattern that is potentially bullish. Taking into consideration the both bullish trends as on the 4-hour time frame as on the daily time frame, and the hidden divergence on the 4-hour time frame, potential bullish dynamic pressure on the hourly time frame, I suppose that upper breakout is more probable from this pattern to the upside, and the market will reach at least this previous high and probably even could continue move to the upside. At least theoretically, the logic suggests that the odds on the favor of the bullish move is greater than on the bearish move currently. For a bearish environment, we need to market to return back below the weekly pivot point, probably for the downward breakout of this flag, to speak that market probably could reach that area, 128.60. Until that will happen, it's very, based on the previous days of price action, it's not currently safe, because this thrust, this explosive move yesterday was not quite logical for the bearish environment, not quite logical for the bearish behavior on the market. This now looks more like a consolidation after the respect of that area, and probably we could count on some continuation to the upside. So it's very unsimple to make analysis of current market. So keep an eye on the different clues that could give you more confidence with the different scenarios. Trade according to your trading plan, and keep an eye on the significant levels to watch for that we discussed in the current research.